Hello and welcome to Safe Secure Surfing's download and installation guide for VyprVPN. In this video we're going to walk you through downloading and installing VyprVPN's service. So let's go ahead and get started. Here we are at VyprVPN's homepage, www.goldenfrog.com/VyprVPN. Golden Frog is the main company and VyprVPN is one of their products. So here over in the top right hand corner, you can see where I've got it highlighted here. It says try it free. So we'll start here. We'll click on this and we'll go and go through the process of downloading VyprVPN. So here we are. We've got two plans we can choose from, their basic plan or their premium plan. Their basic plan is $5 a month on an annual basis and their premium plan is $6.67 billed on an annual basis. So we're going to go with the VyprVPN Premium. So we have the option of selecting the plan and we get a 3-day trial with this. So let's go here. So here we'll enter in all of our pertinent information. Okay, so next up we'll take a look at the billing information. We have the option to choose which one we want. I'm going to go with monthly to begin with, and then I always have the option of going with annual later on if I want. So fill in this information and then we should be able to start downloading VyprVPN's service. So as you can see here, we've got different payment options that we can use. I'm going to be going with PayPal, but you can use any of the major credit cards or you can use Alipay. So we move into the next screen here for PayPal, which is VyprVPN Secure Checkout, and I have to confirm that with PayPal that this is going to be acceptable. So I'll do that. Okay, so now it's directing me to check my email. I received a confirmation email, and then I'll follow the instructions there to activate my account, and then I will go ahead and start downloading this so we can check it out and see how that works. Okay, so I've come over to my email account here, and they have asked for a few more security questions to be asked, and then I'll respond to this, and then they should be able to fill in the information, and we can get started on downloading this. I'll do that now, and then we'll get back to you shortly and see how long it takes for them to respond to us. So I've received an email back from Golden Frog stating that my account is now active. So it took about a half an hour for them to activate the account. So I'll now go back to the other email where it's given me the information. So it says I can confirm the account here and then we'll be able to start downloading. Okay, so here we are back at Golden Frog. It's a VyprVPN website. So it says we can start downloading the information. So depending on what system you're running, I'm personally running Windows. We have the option right here, or you can go to another one where we can download all of VyprVPN's apps. So let's begin with the download of VyprVPN for Windows. Okay, so it came up automatically here, so we'll start to save the file. We'll go through the download process and then we will come back and walk you through setting it up. Okay, so I clicked on VyprVPN installer and now we're come up to the wizard where it's helping us to set it up. So we'll go ahead and start that process, and this will guide us through setting up VyprVPN. It has your standard agreement that you go through and you'll have to accept it in order to download it, so we'll click on I agree. We have the option we can put a shortcut in the menu as well as on the desktop, so I'll select both so it's available both on the desktop and on the menu. So here is where it's going to download the file to. You can change it if you want it or if you have another destination where you'd like to, but I'll just go with the one that they suggested. So Windows Security is asking us if we'd like to install it, and I'm going to say yes because I trust the source here. So go install. So the installation was complete, so let's go to next. Now it gives us the option if we want to run it, or we can just finish it and close it off. So I'm going to say finish it and it should open it up. So here we are at the login screen. At this point we've finished our download and installation, so if you have any questions or comments please feel free to leave them below, and we wish you a great day. Thanks so much for watching.